So now what I want is I actually want a slicer, 3 different slices. So if they say I expand over here, my manager want 3 different slicer. One slicer for year, one slicer for quarter, one slicer for month. So what you do is you click on the slicer. You click on the slicer and you tick on year. So right now it will show you the year. So up to you. Normally when you have a date column, we have many types of slicer, whether it's between or after. But I will try to choose tiles format. So you click format your visual, slicer settings, between you choose tile, because tile means will appear as a tile format, and then you can actually adjust the size accordingly. So now we do have this, and then you can actually adjust the size or you can adjust the coloring. So now this is the data. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and paste. So now we do have one form here. The next thing is I'm going to unselect the year and select quarter. So now we have like quarter 1, quarter 2, and I'm going to copy this and paste so that we have another. So over here what I want is I don't want the quarter. We do already have year, quarter. So over here it will be month. So I'm going to select here month, and just like that we do have the monthly data. So it depends on how you want to arrange and so on. The next thing what I want to do is I want a table, because what I want is like you see here, I have the home. I have already created a slicer based on year, quarter, month. The next thing is plantation, actual, forecast, difference. So what is difference? Difference is basically your actual minus forecast. And then after that, for utilization, the formula is actual divided by forecast. And then over here lastly is the status, whether it's over or under. So if just say if more than 0, then we notice that we can see that it is overutilized. If just say is else, then you can put is underutilized. So we can actually use DAX measure to calculate this. So what I'm going to do is I just want to go over here. I click on the white color screen only once, and I'm going to click on the table. And then what I'm going to do is I just want to click on the plantation product. So over here we do have a list of plantation product. So let me just bring it over here. So this is the data, and then the next step is I just want to click on actual and tick on forecast.